Students, always they must have this in their mind. You are a part of the society and the country. I want them to be citizens of the world, citizens of India and also citizens of the world.
Here in India, there is rapid transformation going on. Industry itself is undergoing a digital transformation and it is taking up in a very rapid pace. We want VIT to be the forerunner in digital transformation.
My passion is to combine design with the latest technology. I want to come up with structures that are environmentally responsive and dynamic and flexible, which can change according to the user's need and requirement. Sustainability is not only about materials and energy efficiency, it is about the mindset of influencing the entire life cycle of the building.
At the School of Architecture, we have made our entire program more technical in nature. Autodesk products like Revit are integrated into our regular curriculum and into the architecture design studios. While designing our curriculum, we take into consideration the needs of the industry.
We had designed a prototype for a capsule design. We have used Autodesk Forma for the starting conceptual stage to get the understanding about the energy efficiency and sustainable part of it. Products like Revit help us to streamline our workflow. It gives us more data-rich model, which helps in collaboration, and we get to know how the services interact with each other. We get to know the clashes beforehand, which helps us in cost reduction and sustainability in a long run. Using digital tools doesn't replace your creativity. It will just increase your productivity, the efficiency, and the quality of your design.
So rather than teaching them as only a software, we make sure that the application part is also covered in such a way that our students will be industry-ready professionals once they graduate. We don't want them to be job seekers, we want them to be job givers. And because of the Autodesk Design and Make Studio, apart from what is being taught from the regular faculty, they have their own avenue where they can explore their creativity, which is being mentored and supported also.
We stand out in the industry compared to other students because we are prepared with the skill set and the softwares that is needed.
We are encouraging our students wherever it is possible for them to become entrepreneurs. They should help the society and the country. And we want to be a model to the rest of the nation. And that's what our students are doing.